Actually standing in some edge here. This is some crazy phenomenon.
It's getting better and better.
It's literally nature at its peak best.
Hello.
Good morning from day 3.
Day 3.
Day 3. Today we are heading for Dholavira. Yesterday was Kutch, today is Dholavira. So we decided to extend our stay for a little while. For only like half a day.
We got to know
There's
the
something
places.
is good in the evening there.
So
Wait for that. So it's around 11ish, 11:30. We'll leave for some viewpoint of Kutch and then Dholavira, road to heaven.
and finally saying bye to the stay.
Yeah.
Stay was really amazing.
Stay was crazy.
We need
Mud
to go
house.
anyway.
Today night we'll be staying in Dholavira.
And the food was very great.
Oh, food was
was
local food. Amazing.
up to the point.
Yes. So yeah, all that was day 1. Today let's start day 2. Let's get on the bike. Come on.
Like that.
Yeah. Okay, let's head down to Dholavira. There's a lot of things to see there. There's some UNESCO World Heritage Site, Dholavira. So that is there. We'll see all that. So let's get going for now. Come on. So we have arrived at the white run yesterday. Somewhere here we have to take a deviation for Dholavira, if I'm not wrong. Yes. Oh yeah, we are going to Kalo Dungar. Kalo Dungar first and then Dholavira. Let's go. Look at the stretch of road. Oh man, wow. Wow, this is okay. 23 kilometers same road. Wow. This is some amazing road here. Oh man. Oh wow. Look at this. Whew. The land became even more empty. It's like the most emptiest it can even ever get. Wow. Just one road in the middle of nowhere. Look at how the legends. They're like, I'm fed up of this road, I'll make my own road and go. So now we have to see Kalo Dungar and then later go to Dholavira. Right? Correct? Oh no. Both Kalo Dungar and Dholavira left. There will be another diversion in the front for Dholavira to go right, but we have to go straight there. So right now left for Kalo Dungar. I think we can already see the... Yes, we can already see it. You can already see Kutch. I mean white run. Oh, from here. I mean this area is different. It's like a, what is that, a war zone. War zones will be like this. Oh, and we're climbing. Come on. Yes. Aha, nice. Welcome to Kalo Dungar, the Black Hills. Oh, this is called as the Black Hills. Okay. We're now climbing this thing. It's high. It says Sunset Point, highest point in Kutch. 458 meters above run. Okay. This is Kutch's highest point. I didn't know it was this much of a climb, but it's okay. Plus I'm taking the bag with me. That's another heavy thing. We have arrived. We have arrived. But this place is like, holy crap. Shit. This comes in the top. I can say better than what we did yesterday. I mean, that's water there. It's actually a thin layer of water and salt. It melts due to the sun, heat of the sun. But this is just, my god, this is so fucking amazing. Oh, wow. Wow. This is just surreal. It's all water. Thin layer of water on salt. Is 200% worth the ride down to Dungar. Check. I've not even seen it. Ah, there. Yes. Wow. Amazing. I got a new place. Look at this. I'm actually standing in some edge here. Ooh, crazy. Yeah, now it's a long walk back
To reach town. And look at this.
Oh, someone joined them. They're singing so nicely. There are people who have joined them also. Small things. So nice.
Like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So that was Kala Dungar. That was one amazing view. We have been here for I think 1 hour. Yeah. We've been here for 1 hour. So I think we can leave now. We'll have some lunch and then we'll go to Dolavira. My god. Oh wow. Wow.
Looks like mirror.
It literally looks like a mirror.
Feel like nothing is there. Oh my.
Huh? Shit. This is giving me goosebumps. This is some crazy phenomenon. Oh man, amazing.
It's getting better and better
It's
and better.
literally nature at its peak best. Just